Booking a trip to Istanbul or spotting this historic nation on a map and want to make sure you use its official name? It has a fresh, updated spelling, but it rolls out beautifully in three quick beats. Türkiye, Türkiye, Türkiye. Let's smash out the sounds instantly using three simple building blocks. Tor, ki, ye. First syllable, a guided holiday sightseeing holiday, which is a tour. Tour. Second syllable, what you use to unlock a locked front door, a key. Key. Third syllable, shouting out a relaxed, casual agreement sound, a yeah. Snap them together fast with the main stress at the very front. Türkiye. Say it with me. Türkiye. 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 Like, comment, and subscribe.